Alamin wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidina Muhammadin ashrafil mursalin wa ala alihi wasahbihi ajma'in. So we're going to continue with our ayah, and it's the 14th ayah in Surah Yasin. Yeah, the 14th ayah in Surah Yasin, and I will go down to where we were last week. Here we are. Right. Okay. The first word that we see here is. Okay, is. Okay, we did quite a bit on is last week. So, inshallah, you'll be able to tell me what the Irab of this is easily, inshallah. Okay. Who would like to try? Sister Nazma, you do, because you were the first to come. Would you like to type, or would you like me to type? Okay. So what is?
Is
Okay.
there is 4 columns. Two has the meanings.
Okay, the easiest way, whenever you see is like this, okay, the best thing to call it, is zaf. Yeah, the best thing to call it is zaf, and it is also mudaf. You know that because it's one of the few zafs or from the group of zuruf. Zuruf is your plural for zaf. Yeah, group of zuruf that makes whatever sentence that comes after it, yeah, jumlah talaha, the sentence that comes after it, into a mudaf ilay. Yeah, mudaf ilay. So this is it. So it's zaf zaman, so that will be zarafa. Yeah, zarafa. Mm-hmm. And how do you spell zaman?
Is it correct?
Zaman has an alif in between the mim and the noon. Okay. And it's mabni, right? It is mabni.
Without.
Mhm.
Okay.
Not so easy when we do the typing, okay? But yeah, we'll try, inshallah. We'll get faster at this as we go along, inshallah.
Couldn't find the year without dots.
Okay, mabniun. And when it is mabni on something. In this case, what is it mabni on? Ala. Now it's the ya without the dots. The ya without the dots should be the same key as your letter N. Mm.
I think maybe this the Jawi. I have this year and I have this year.
Ah. So what's the key on your letter N? What is that? What letter is on that one?
Nun and Ba.
Oh,
I think
different way. Okay, interesting. Okay, so let me put it for you then.
ظرف زمان مبني means
It's fixed, yeah. It doesn't change. The ending doesn't change. So this
okay.
is ala, yeah. So it's mabni ala. What's on top of the zal?
سكون.
Yeah. So it's mabni ala as-sukun. Yeah, because that's the ending. Oops. Okay.
Sukun with waw.
Yes, with waw. Kaf waw nun as-sukun. Yeah.
Till waw.
Okay. Zarf zaman mabni ala as-sukun. Okay. All right. We'll stop there. Yeah, we'll stop there. Arsalna. Was that Brother Hazim? Arsalna? You want to try that one?
I can try.
Oh, okay, good. So Arsalna, what is that?
فعل ماضي.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. And the fa'il is?
فاعل
We would say
أنا.
wana, na, yeah, wana.
What about لاتصاله?
Yes, you can also do that. Litisalihi.
What is the meaning? Because I look
Litisalihi
at
means
the
attached.
previous.
Attached. Yeah.
Okay.
So fi'il madi mabni ala sukun. Litisalihi bina. Yeah.
لاتصاله.
And this na is domir.
ضمير متصل.
Yes, domir muttasil.
سكون.
في محل.
في محل رفع فاعل.
Yes, good. Excellent. Okay. All right.
Can you please repeat the meaning of
Attached. Attached.
Attached.
Yeah.
Yes, get that.
Okay. Yeah. Or connected.
Mhm.
Okay. Ilayhim. Sister Ralin, what is ilayhim?
إليهم is jar majrur. إلي is half jar.
Jar majrur. Okay. And it's muta'alliq to what?
متعلقان to أرسلنا.
متعلقان to أرسلنا. And can you do the saf for أرسلنا? For me.
أرسلنا. أرسل يرسل.
What family is it? Sorry.
It's from family 4.
Oh, it's family 4. Hold on, yeah. Let me change the colors. So the root letters are raw. It's family 4. Yeah. And it's just like aslama yuslimu. So we have arsala yursilu. What's the masdar?
إرسالا.
Okay, mursilun is your isim fa'il. So your isim maf'ul would be
مرسلا.
mursalan. Okay, good. All right, so we can see that arsala is your fi'il madi. Isnaini. Sister Bashira, can you say something, or what is isnaini here?
So
Let's see this.
اثنين.
Is arsalna ilayhi musnaini. So what is isnaini here?
So that will be the maf'ul.
It's the ma'ul. So this is ma'ul bihi.
Bihi.
And if it's maf'ul bihi, what would the status be?
Mansub.
Mansub. But there's no fatha at the end of this. How is it mansub?
So it can be اثنين can be either mansub or majrur.
Okay. So now how do we say the Irab for something like this? So maf'ul bihi mansub.
I have no idea. Sorry.
So maf'ul bihi mansub, because this is not the original sign of Irab. The original sign of Irab is kasrah. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, so what we can do is maf'ul bihi mansub. Do you remember this? How do we spell niyabatan an?
Oh. Yeah, but noon.
Nun.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry. Should be mansub
But
al-ya, right?
oh.
I sometimes also al-ya niyabatan an, then only we say kasrah, ya. Niya. Nun ya.
Ba.
Ba.
Then ta.
Ya,
Ta marbut.
niyabatan an. It doesn't seem to agree. Niyabatan an, okay. Niyabatan an. Kasrah, yeah. Why?
Why is it kasra, not fatha?
Oh, sorry, al-fatha. Yes, you're so right. I'm not sure why my mind was on fatha. Okay, good catch. Right. Al-fatha. Niyabatan al-fatha. Li'annahu, we have to tell them why. Why is that? Okay, so we have something we call لأنه.
No, because
Mhm. Because
مثنى.
yeah, لأنه المثنى. Yeah, because it's dual. So remember that when it is not the normal sign of Irab for nasab or rafa or jar, then we will say that whatever it is that takes the place is the niyabatan an of the normal sign. Yeah, this is different from muqaddara. Yeah, niyabatan an is it takes the place of the original sign. Muqaddara, you cannot see the sign. Yeah, so that's the difference. And so there's no replacement, meaning that if the sign was a dhamma, it would be muqaddara, and the dhamma would be muqaddara because you can't see the dhamma, for example. Yeah, maybe because you have an alif maksura at the end of the word, so the dhamma cannot be seen. The alif completely covers the dhamma, so that is impossible already to see. Yeah, so that is muqaddara. But when there is a sign that you can see, but it's not the original sign, then it's either niyabatan an, or we can also say, what's the other term that we can say? Can anyone remember?
Implied. Is it mahzuf?
Muqaddara is implied. The other one is, remember, badal min?
Oh, badal, yes.
Yes, yeah.
In
Badal
place of.
minhu. Yeah, that's another term as well that you can use. You will see this. Maybe I'll share this so that sometimes, because we did this some time ago, so probably some of you have already forgotten. Yeah, so let me see whether we have the signs here. You can go back and see your notes, and then you know what I'm saying. Now this is Mu'rab, Afsan. When I'm searching for it, it's not there. Hold on. Yeah, maybe it's here. Can't seem to find it. But you will actually, I've actually done this in one of the notes here, and I put it as an alternative for you to describe the Irab. Why is it not here? Who has gone through the prelim notes? May I know?
I started, but I stopped along the way. So it should be either the. I think I've seen this Niyabatan and before. I don't know if you mentioned it in class or I saw it in the prelim.
Okay. Welcome back. Oh, but it was somewhere. Do you remember, Brother Hazim, where I put which lesson it was? I can't remember.
Lesson about niyabataan?
Yeah. Which one do you think that is?
Sorry, I cannot recall it.
Yeah, I know. So
I think it's prelim 1.
prelim 1.
Like 19, 20. You talk about Musafir.
Here, yes. So it was this one. Yep. So here we are, this one. Yep. Here we have the alamat will be, in this case we took the long way, yeah. Wa alamatu raf'ihi al-waw niyabatan an, and whatever it was, in this case we said it was kasrah. And why in this case? In this case is muslimuna. So then it is the waw that was in the place of our usual dhamma, yeah. Because why? Because it is the sound masculine plural. The other term we can use is bidalan, yeah, bidalan min. Instead of niyabatan an, we put bidalan min. That's the other term. So this is the one that I was thinking of, yeah. So you're absolutely right. It's in prelim one. Alhamdulillah. Okay. All right. So in this case, it's not because it is muzakkar salim sound, yeah, but it is because it is musanna, because it is dual. This is why we have a ya instead of the usual fatha for mansub. Okay, alhamdulillah. Now we go back to where we were. All right. Sorry. Should I close that by accident? Okay. Fakazabuhuma. So we go back to Sister Nazma. Everyone has had a turn, right? Forwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So we go back to Sister Nazma. So now, is there an attached pronoun to this? Or is this just the fi'il?
فكذبوهما.
We haven't finished the Irab of this yet, yeah, but I'll do that later on. Yeah. Fakazabuhuma. Is there an attached pronoun? That's my question.
No.
Everyone agrees?
There is an attached pronoun.
There is an attached pronoun, Sister Nazma.
Huma.
Yeah, the attached pronoun is huma. What is the original fi'il here?
كذبوا.
Kazabu. Maybe if you do the Irab for this, okay, let's do the Irab for this. I'll do the Irab for this, then you can do the Saf for this. So what family is this? This is Kaf.
Sama. Family 2. كذب.
Family 2. Okay. So Kazaba.
يكذبوا.
Yukazibu. Yes, go on. What is the masdar?
Is it takziban?
Yes, takziban, and the fi'il is in fa'il, sorry.
معلم مكذب.
Yes, exactly. Good. Yeah, so kazaba yukazibu takziban. All right. So now, what is the Irab? That's the Saf. So what's the Irab?
Is فاعل ماضي.
Okay, do you want to type that out or you want me to type it out? You can also copy paste Brother Hazim's thing if you like and then amend it accordingly. It's up to you.
Is it that way?
So this one is mabni on what? This is mabni on what? Okay, just copy paste first. Okay.
فعل ماضي مبني على
Mm.
واو.
The sign. the one on top of the ba.
ضمة.
But it is mabni, so we don't call it dhamma. We call it
الضمة. Is it?
ad-dham, yeah, without the dhamma buta.
الضم.
Good. And it's litisalihi, not with na. It's now be.
هما.
No. Huma is your maf'ul bihi. Yeah. So what is your dua? Fakazzabu.
Should it be like ba waw alif there?
Yes, but then you have the huma. So that's why the alif has gone. Yeah.
Gone.
Mm.
So فكذبوا هم.
That is the actual pronoun. Yeah, but in Irab, in classical Irab, we don't say it's whom. We say it is because we can see it. We can see it. This one. This is the doer. What is it?
ضمير.
What letter is this?
واو.
What letter is this?
The waw, is it?
Yes, it's the wow. Yeah, so this is litisalihi be wow. Yeah, be wow. Exactly. Be wow. Yes. And this wow, we call it wow what? It's the wow that represents a group of people, right? And a group of people, we will call them al-jama'ah. A group of people. Okay, now we describe the wow. After we say what it's attached to, what the fi'il is attached to, then we say this wow, yeah, this wow, wa al wow, is the dhamir muttasil, yeah, dhamir muttasil, and it is, yes, is it mabni ala as-sukun? Yeah. Because there is a sukun on top of it. Yeah. Fi mahali rafa fa'il.
Yeah.
Then we continue because we have our maf'ul bihi. How will we do that?
Then it be like before.
So you have to continue typing here. Fi mahali rafa fa'il and wa al ha, yeah, the ha in the huma. Do you know how to spell that? Where did you go? Okay. Wa
Alha.
Ha alif hamza. That's how we would spell it. Yeah. Okay. And this ha is dhamir still. It's still a dhamir muttasil. Sod.
This year.
Okay, it doesn't have a ya, but I'll delete that for you. Okay. So if it's maf'ul bihi, it is fi mahali.
في محل نصب.
Yeah, exactly. Dhamir muttasil fi mahali nasab. You have the letter fa, which I find very interesting. Your keyboard is different from what I have. I don't have the letter the fa. I have only the This is more to
written.
mhm. And you also okay. في محل نصب مفعول به.
Why ha not huma?
Sorry?
Well, ha dhamir mutasir. Why is it not huma dhamir mutasir?
In classical Arab, yeah, your huma is actually broken down into further.
Okay.
So the huma, the ha is actually the actual damir. The mim and alif the mim stands for a group of people. That's how they would do the Irab, yeah. But I've just taken the essential part, which is just the ha, then damir mutasir fi mahalli nasab maf'ul bihi. And then you see some Irabs, you will see the mim is, to represent a group of people.
What about kuma? Then we write kaf.
Now, kuma, is it an attached pronoun? Do we have a kuma?
Wait. Antaka kuma. Antuma is not kuma.
Okay. Never mind. Okay, have you finished this? Let me go into the let's see whether I can find something that will help us. Oh, sorry, what am I doing? Now you see everything. Let me not show you that. That was on my PC. Okay, let's see. Let's find something that can help us with this. I am thinking of this textbook. Okay. Here yeah. When we talk about attached, we're looking at kuma. Yeah. But so that means kaf would be al-kaf. I've not seen this though. I've not seen this Iraq before. Hold on. See whether we have in here. Kuma. This is kama. I've not come across that many kumas. That's the problem.
Maybe kum, same case.
Yeah, maybe kum. Yeah, shorter, right? That's more likely to be found. Do I have to put a dhamma? Ma'akum. But we want something. This one. Khalaqakum. Baqarah 21. Baqarah 21. Okay. Baqarah 21. Let me open up Mufassal. kum. Couple of here. Al-qaf. Yeah, they use al-qaf. And the mim, as you say here. Can you see that? Is it clear enough?
Yep, yep.
Okay, so al-qaf will be your dhamma mutasil. And the mim, as I was saying, it is the sign of jama' mazakur, jama' zakur. Yeah. So this is how they would do it.
What is jama' zaku?
This one is masculine. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Sister Zoraida, please, what's the name of this Irab book?
This is Mufassal. Al-Mufassal. I don't know whether there is. This one was shared during the Bayinah. They would have given you a link to this. Do you know?
Oh, recently, the recent Bayina, the Dream Big or the first one?
I think the first one probably, not the one that he recently did. Yeah, he did not give that. But if you want the link, I can share it in the group later on. Yeah, that we
Okay,
can.
Jazakillah khairan.
Okay. Now how do we go out from here? Yeah, back again. Okay. So we can add that beam thing if we want to, but at this point in time, I think it's sufficient that you know that ha dhamma mutasil fi mahali nasab maf'ul bihi. Okay, let's do one more word before we go off. Fa. Who's next? Brother Hazim or Sister Razin? Sister Razin, your turn, is it? Or is it Brother Hazim?
I'm not sure.
I can do, I think.
Okay, so fa, what is fa here?
For ataf.
Okay, fa, correct.
The above one is also ataf, right? We didn't do the fa.
Which one?
Fakazabu, we didn't do the fa.
Okay, yes, all right. Let's add that. So this would be Atifa, since we're not mentioning the name. Atifa. And this would also be this here. And Azazna, is there an attached pronoun?
No.
No. Okay, good. So how does this go? Do you want to type that? Yeah.
It's the same like Arsalna, right?
All right. So you want to copy paste that one?
Yeah, I did it already.
Oh, you did that. Alhamdulillah. Where did it go? It hasn't appeared yet on my screen yet. Have you pasted it?
Yeah,
Oh
above
yeah.
above
Oh
fa.
my goodness. Okay, well, I was searching for it down there. Okay. Now this is a muda'af. Yeah, this is a muda'af. Can you do for me? Azazna is fi'il madin. Yeah, fi'il madin. I would like you to type for me the saf kabir, not the saf sagir, saf kabir of the mudari, not the madin, the mudari. What's the mudari for this?
Yu'azzizu.
So now can you fill up that?
I can try.
Okay, inshallah. So while Brother Hazim is doing that, let me correct this spelling. Let Brother Hazim do that first. Sister Bashira. Bisalisin. What's this? Again. You did it before. Bisalisin. Did you say jar? Assalamualaikum.
This is a jar
Jar.
ومجرور. حرف جر and مجرور.
Jar wa majrur. Fine with me. And what is it muta'alliq to?
عززنا.
Azazna. Okay. Ya Azizu. Ya Azazani. This one is you or you, is it? Also you. Okay. Okay. All right. Now faqalu. Who is next? Faqalu.
I think it's me.
Okay, what's the fa?
This one is for Sababia.
Oops. Why do we see that? Actually, it's still Atifa. It's still continuing. Yeah, we haven't finished the story yet, so it's not a fresh one. Yeah.
Okay.
So this is
Alpha.
Atifa. Oh,
So when do we use Atuf and when do we use Antifa?
yeah. So when we put alpha like that, this would be Atifa. If I were to say something like this, of, yeah, then I would use ataf. Okay.
Can
So
you check for Hunna? I cannot be sure.
okay. Change the sign. Yu'azzizna. Yep. Okay.
Right.
Fine. Yeah. That is fine. Yu'azzizna. Yeah. Anta. Okay. Now, faqalu huwa. What is this?
Who?
Huwa. For the madi.
Qala.
For the madi. Okay. Qala.
Sister, you want me to type in?
Can you type?
Oh yes, I can type from the phone.
Okay, good. All right. Alhamdulillah. So you can do that. And how is Brother Hazif getting along? To us. It's the same, right? The one at the bottom and the top. I think you're missing a zal here.
To us. Oh yeah.
You're missing a zal. Okay. Hola. Okay. Inna. Inna. Back to Sister Nazma, is it?
This is half nasab.
Yes, it's half nasab.
يعززنا تعزز
Tu'azzizani. Yeah, because these three will be the same. We'll go, once you finished it, we go through it, then we see whether it's okay or not. Yeah. All right. So inna is half nasab. Or we can also say half nasi. Yeah, there are two ways of putting this. And the other one is one nasab. And it has to have an isim, right?
Yeah.
Or the victim. That's what Ustad Numan likes to say. And how would we describe?
Is it nun? Nahnu.
Na, yes. The domain, na. Well, domain, let me type that for you. Domain, na. And how, what else would I say? It's a domain, fi mahali, since it is, okay. Can you type that in while I check, brother? Okay. Wow, Sister Radin already typed everything? Oh, okay, another one. Put in the domain. She's been practicing. Okay. This is another Jawa Majrur. Maybe I won't give you the Jawa Majrur, Sister Fashira. You've been doing Jawa Majrur all the while. So, but anyway, this Jawa Majrur is muta'alliq to what? Can you tell me what the muta'alliq is to? Ilaikum. What do you think, Sister Bashira? Ilaikum. Let's go see the ayah at the top again. Is arsalna ilaihim musnaini fakazzabuhuma fa'azzazna bisalisin faqalu inna ilaikum mursalun. So ilaikum, does it go back to qalu or is it muta'alliq to something else? What do you think? Tell me what this is. Let's see. All right, so Brother Hazim has done this. You azizu, you azani, you azizuna. What's the harakah on this one? On this part?
Dhamma.
Okay, Dhamma. Okay, this one is important. Yeah, put in the Dhamma. And to azizu, good. Sorry. Okay, to azizu, to azizani. Both of them ladies. Okay. And oops, there's the word half here.
I.
I typed half nas up there. Is it by accident?
Yes, I did.
Oh, okay.
Apologize.
Okay.
Couldn't
That's the
find the
Nazma.
cursor just now.
To Azizu, to Azizu, to Azizina. Everyone comfortable with this? Any questions on this one? Yeah, I think this is quite clear cut. You will see that list 3 will be identical. Yeah. To Azizani, to Azizani, to Azizani. You Azizna. Yeah, to Azizna. To Azizna. This one. Is this correct? It's antum, a group of people, and male on top of that, masculine, right? Antum.
Oh, maybe you Aziz.
It would just be this, but with a ta. Yeah, because ta means you all, you both, or whatever it is. Yeah. So to is to Azi. Okay. Good. Alhamdulillah. No, Aziz. Okay, excellent. So qala, qala, qalu, qalat, qala, qulna, qulta, qultuma, qultum, qulti, qultuma, qultunna. Yeah, antuna, qultunna. Can somebody tell me why? This was qa, 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 and then suddenly kul. Sister Radin, why did you put kul? Why wasn't it kalna?
I remember, is it Noah that when they got read when guna pronounce Noah?
Say that again. Say that again.
The alif will get read because of the when it came to the pronoun hunna.
Okay. Is that how it was explained to you?
Yes.
Okay, just want you to. This is a nice thing to know. Yeah, this is a nice thing to know. I think maybe Sister Bashira can explain this. Would you know how to explain this? Why is it kul and not ka?
No, I don't need the explanation.
You can't remember?
Yes.
The huma is not kolata. Kolata.
Call it.
That's why I said, why is it not ka? Why not qalna? Why? This one was qala, qalu, and suddenly, oops, kulna. And then from then onwards, everything was cool. Yeah. So this is something we need to take note of. Yeah. So that when we deal with with ajwaf, vowel in the middle is ajwaf. We know that. But why does it happen like this? We'll end here, but I will explain before we go off. Yeah. Now, ideally, if it was just the normal mujarrad, it would have been this. Qawala. Hmm? But with ajwaf, the rule is if the weak letter is with waw, has a harakah, in this case fathah, yeah, and it doesn't matter whether it's because remember with mujarrads, right, it's always I'm going to mess this up a bit. So if this is your general wording, fa ain lam, this is your normal wording. We know for mujarrad, it's always fathah here and fathah there. What changes is only for the ain kalimah. Yeah, the ain kalimah can be fathah. Yes, it can be dhamma, and it can be kasra. Yeah, but front and back always fathah for madin. Yeah, for madin. So in this case, so happens qawala qala here is actually, sorry, I'm trying to get rid of this, but it's getting rid of something else. How to get rid of that? Okay. When you have
Sorry.
something like this, you have a harakah above the vowel, yeah, and you have a fathah before it. It doesn't matter what this harakah is. It can be kasrah as well, yeah. But when we have something like this with a fathah in front, this vowel will change to an alif, regardless of what the harakah is. When it's a weak letter in the middle, you have a fathah before it. This will change into an alif, right? Qala. So that's what happened here. Same thing. This is what happened here. Qalu. This is what happened here. Qalat. Yeah. Then qala. And then we have problems here. Why do we have problems here? Now, what happened here that makes it different? Because we said that we would change. We said we would change. Remember, the original was this. We changed the waw with the fathah because of the fathah on the qaf. No? Because the waw had a harakah on it, and the letter before the waw had a fathah on it. This waw had to change to alif. This was the rule. But when we did this, what we ended up was with two sukuns, which cannot exist. Okay, we don't have two sukuns side by side in any Arabic word. But we know that the original alif was from waw. Yeah. We said, or the Arab said, we didn't say, the Arab said, yeah, because of the waw, what we will do now to represent the waw, because remember, waw is a root letter, yeah, but we're getting rid of this root letter because it's a weak letter. So we have to do it in a way that represents it. And one way is, because waw has an oo sound, we get rid of the fathah and dhamma. Okay, so it becomes kulna. Got that? Yeah, originally it was qa, two sukun.
Sister, I think I made wrong in Huma, feminine. It should be Qolata, right?
Which one? Huna? Which one?
That one.
This one.
Qolata, Ulna. Right.
This is anta, is a he.
The upper one.
Oh,
Second. Qalat.
qalat. Qalat. Oh yes, qalata. Sorry. Yeah, I didn't see that. Qalata. Yeah, qalata. So this one now becomes kuna. Yeah. So the dhamma here is to represent the waw that we got rid of. And this goes for everything else after that. Yeah, because it's the same case here as well. Yeah, it's the same case here as well, because you would have had something like this, which is a double sukun, which they don't like. Yeah, so that's why we change this to kul. Yeah, everything else to kul. Kultuma, kultuma, kultunna. Yeah, okay. Kulna. Is this kulna? Kuta, kuti. Sister Rani? Kuta,
Yes.
kuti. Ana. Is it kulna?
Oh, kultu.
I think you swap this round.
Ah.
So always remember there's kuta, kuti. This will automatically be kultu. Yeah, and this will be your kulna. So shall I correct that? Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Okay. And the last one. Before we go. Sorry. Yeah. This is muta'alliq to what? We haven't finished typing here, sister. في محل نصب اسم. Nah. Okay. So, ilaikum, what is it muta'alliq to? Sister Bashira, you haven't answered my question yet. Are you there? Okay.
Yes.
Ilaikum. What is it muta'alliq to? Muta'alliqan.
Inna plus itisam to the mubtada.
The mubtada, which is?
Inna.
Inna is not the mubtada. Inna is a half.
Oh, I thought it's inna plus na. Half of nasab and it's ism.
Oh, I see. Inna as in half of nasab, and it's you say it's muta'alliq to. Okay, this is something that we learned in a dream, is it? Inna plus na is considered as mubtada. And where is your habar?
Mursaluna.
Mursaluna. Okay. When we say muta'alliq, have you heard of muta'alliq bil mubtada? Were you taught muta'alliq bil mubtada? Or
No.
you are normally taught muta'alliq kan bil khabar, right?
Yes.
Yes, so this should be mursalun, not inna.
Oh, okay, yes.
Yeah, okay, all right, alhamdulillah. Okay, mursalun. All right, alhamdulillah. Okay, so we've already mentioned that this is your habar, right? So we've basically done this part as well. But can you tell me what is the sign that it is a mubtada? Sorry, it's a habar. Sorry, this is habar inna. This part, Sister Bashira, habar inna is what's the status? A habar, the status is normally?
Is raf'a. So
Okay.
the wow.
Yes. Marfu. You do the short version, yeah.
Yes, Miss.
So Bilbao. Apa Bilbao? Huh? Okay, all right. Alhamdulillah. So, do we have enough to translate? Do we have enough to translate? Yeah, I think we have enough to translate. So, let's translate.
Is it live?
Okay. Brother Hazim, can you do this first part? Is arsalna ilaihim munusnaini him hibusnaini fakazzabuhuma. What do you think?
When
When
we send down to them two people,
when we send
then they deny both of them.
when we send to them two.
Two.
It's 90 the two, yeah?
Yeah.
Two. Fakazabuhuma, you said just now when we send to them two,
Then they deny both of them.
then they deny both of them. And Sister Nazma, fa'azazna bisalisin. Fa'azazna. Azazna, what does azazna mean? What does azazna mean? What are the root letters just now?
Strengthen.
Oh, okay. Aziz. Okay. So how would you translate this? Fa'azazna. And we,
Strengthen with a third.
and we strengthen. How do I
With
spell
a
strengthen? Is that right? We
strengthen.
strengthen
Yeah.
with
With
a
a
third. With a third.
And
person.
they
Okay.
say,
So they said,
indeed we are
indeed, we are. Why are? Mubtada
because
habar. Yeah, okay. We are
upon you
upon you.
messengers.
Yeah. Because now there's three, right?
Uh,
Now there is three. Whenever you have an una, at least three people we're talking about. So and when we send to them two people, then they unite both of them and we strengthened with a third person. So they said, indeed, we are upon you messengers. Ilaikum came before Mursalun. Is there anything, any way we can emphasize this a bit more? Any suggestions? No? No suggestions. That's okay. Maybe when we continue next week, yeah, we'll do a second look at that one. Okay. I wanted to do this today, but I think we don't have time, and it's something quite interesting, so we will not rush this. Yeah, this is about your Ayat, so that you can understand better what is an Ayat. Yeah, inshallah. So all right, so we've done the translation here. Then please remind me next week to continue this. There's something more to this. Yeah, there's something more to this. What do you think? What do you think I'm thinking of when I say there's something more to this? Any suggestions?
Sorry, what was it?
Yeah.
Pardon?
Shartia.
Shatia? No. Iza is Shatia, not this one.
Oh.
Think about it. Inshallah, we'll discuss it next week. Okay then. All right. Subhanallah wa bihamdik. Nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Thank you very much for joining me. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Yes, see you next week, inshallah.
Sister Zurida,
Yes.
sorry, I wanted to ask you.
Uh-huh.
So for inna, sometimes some people use certainly, but I think some people emphasize to use indeed. So what's the difference in using certainly or indeed?
It's just a matter of preference, yeah.
Oh,
Just your language, how you want to use it. You can see here, for example, in now what was it? It's 15, right? Yeah. So here this translator has used indeed. This one has used indeed. This one has not even emphasized anything. Yes. Some say
yes.
truly. Some say truly.
Verily.
Some say verily. Yeah. So it depends on the composer or the one who's writing it, the translator, what word he wants to use. Yeah. Okay. So there is no real difference, inshallah. Okay. All right then. Okay. Then good night. Sleep well. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.